Ah.
And so,
So please tell me the make model of your bike.
this is a Yamaha MT03 2024.
Okay. Did you just buy the bike recently or?
Yeah, I bought it back in June.
Okay. Brand new or used?
Brand new.
Brand new. Okay. Where did you buy it from? Somebody local?
I bought it from a dealership, the Yamaha dealership in Fredericksburg.
Oh, in Fredericksburg. Okay. Why Yamaha versus some other brand?
It looks sexy.
Okay. So it's because of the look. Did
Yeah.
you try some other bikes before you chose the Yamaha
So
brand?
I sat on a lot of different bikes. They just were too high for me.
Okay.
So I went with this one. I was originally looking for like a Ninja 400, but I couldn't find one. So this one was like the closest thing that I can get to the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the MT03, right?
Mhm.
Oh, cool. So what's your plan with the bike? Are you planning to keep this bike or, you know?
Yeah, so I'm trying to use it up as much as I can, and then I'll eventually upgrade to a different one.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep it for a while so I can wear and tear it, so I can get more familiar with bikes in general. 'Cause this is my first bike. So.
Okay. Good. Is there anybody, family member rides in the bike? Why did you start riding motorcycles?
No, I'm the only one that rides. So I've always wanted to ride since I was younger. My dad actually had one when I was like a little girl. So ever since then, I've been wanting to just get on a bike, and I finally got around to it.
Oh, cool. That's good. So how do you feel? What do you like about the bike or dislike about the bike?
I like that it's very lightweight,
Okay.
especially when I'm doing like turns and hitting curves.
Yes.
It's really easy to maneuver.
And I see you, are you flat footing right now?
Yeah.
Pretty much?
Yeah, on
right?
one side, yeah.
On one side, okay.
Yeah, so I'm usually like probably like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's your angle. Okay. And you feel good with that? You're comfortable with that?
Yeah.
No problem?
It's a little tricky on the hills, but it's
Okay.
it's good for the most part.
Oh, okay. Cool. Well, nice talking to you, and hope to do an interview again in better circumstances.
Yeah.
You know?
Bye.
Bye.